What if water did not exist on Earth? If water did not exist on Earth, life as we know it would not be possible. Water is essential for the survival of all living organisms, and its absence would have a catastrophic impact on the planet's ecosystem. Without water, there would be no oceans, lakes, or rivers, which means there would be no water cycle. This would lead to a very dry climate, which would make it difficult for plants to grow, and animals would have a hard time finding food and water. This would ultimately lead to the extinction of most life forms on Earth. Additionally, water plays a crucial role in regulating the planet's temperature. Without water, the Earth's temperature would fluctuate wildly, making it impossible for life to survive. In short, the absence of water on Earth would result in a barren and lifeless planet, which is why water is often considered the most important substance for the survival of all living organisms. Water is a unique substance, with a number of properties that make it essential for life as we know it. Some of the most important properties of water include: water is a universal solvent. Water is capable of dissolving a wide variety of substances, which allows it to transport nutrients and minerals throughout the planet's ecosystems. This makes it possible for plants to absorb the nutrients they need to grow, and for animals to obtain the nutrients they need to survive. Water has a high specific heat. Water is able to absorb and retain large amounts of heat without experiencing a significant increase in temperature. This allows the planet's oceans and other bodies of water to act as heat sinks, helping to regulate the Earth's temperature and preventing it from becoming too hot or too cold for life to survive. Water has a high heat of vaporization. Water requires a large amount of energy to evaporate, which means that it can absorb a significant amount of heat from its surroundings when it evaporates. This makes water an important component of the Earth's cooling systems, as it is able to absorb excess heat and transport it away from areas that are in danger of becoming too hot. Water is a polar molecule. Water is made up of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, which are arranged in such a way that the molecule has a slightly positive charge on one end and a slightly negative charge on the other. This allows water molecules to form hydrogen bonds with each other, which gives water its unique properties and makes it essential for life as we know it. Water is a vital component of the planet's ecosystems, and its absence would have a catastrophic impact on the Earth's climate, geology, and biology. Without water, life as we know it would simply not be possible. No erosion. Water is an important agent of erosion, as it wears away rocks and soil over time. Without water, there would be no erosion, which would result in a very different landscape on Earth. Mountains, canyons, and other geological features that were formed by erosion would not exist, and the planet's surface would be much smoother. No atmosphere. Water is also important for the formation of the Earth's atmosphere. Water vapor is released into the atmosphere when water evaporates, and this helps to regulate the planet's temperature and create weather patterns. Without water, the Earth's atmosphere would be very different, and it is possible that there would be no atmosphere at all. No lubrication. Water is an excellent lubricant, which allows organisms to move and perform various functions. Without water, many organisms would not be able to move or function properly, which would have a major impact on the planet's biology. No ice caps. Water also exists in the form of ice caps at the Earth's poles. These ice caps help to regulate the planet's temperature, and they are also important for maintaining sea levels. Without water, there would be no ice caps, and the planet's sea levels would be much lower. In conclusion, water is an incredibly important substance for the Earth and all of the living organisms that call it home. Its absence would have a major impact on the planet's climate, geology, and biology, and it is difficult to imagine what the Earth would be like without it.